In a recent community poll on the channel, I asked you all what new types of videos you'd like to see. The overwhelming response was for transit rides. Today, we're going to be kicking off this series with a short route, the 42nd Street Shuttle. Join me as we take the train on one track from Grand Central to Times Square.
Shuttle, train to Times Square, next up in phase left.
The 42nd Street Shuttle is the shortest line in the entire system, spanning just 2 stops over about half a kilometer. This line is part of the very first subway route in New York City. As you can see on this train, it lacks the seats in the center of the car. This change was made in the early 2020s when the shuttle underwent renovations. This change increased the capacity of the cars while also allowing more room for passengers with disabilities. During the renovations, the R62A cars on the shuttle were also extended to 6 cars, and the 3 tracks formerly in service were reduced to just 2. With a wider island platform connecting them. And here we are at Times Square. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more like this, consider liking and subscribing. And definitely let me know in the comment section if you like this new series.